Good morning everyone. Today we want to do our second video. I'm Sherina Anachupo alias Yani, and my friend is Nus Hazira Izyan binti Abdul Hamid. Are you ready everyone?
Yes.
Wake up everyone from your dream, and as we know that we hear from the radio and see from the TV there are many negativity that happen to our country. In 1997, there are most worst things that happened to our country. This is because of financial crisis that led to the low in exchange rate. At that point of time, for $1 is to 3 ringgit and 80 cents. I am the person that very concerned with what happened to our country that can affect our daily life, and most of our presentation today is we take from our economic study and also from internet. In this financial morning, we want to talk about recession, and we will emphasize the negative effect of recession toward individual and economic. Recession is when the period of temporary of economic decline. I will talk about the negative effect of recession toward individual. First of all, when the recession occurs, the standard of living will decrease. According to Federal Reserve or Bank, the people have no desire to invest when the recession is occur. This is because at that point of time, the interest rate is very low. So when we do not invest now, it will be effect to the future, because from the investment we can get a lot of money. Other than that, Ministry of Health said that low in income can bring multiple stress. This is because we need to get some money to our daily life. According to Henry S. Truman said that it is recession when you lose your job, and it is depression when you lose your own. My second point is purchasing power of individual will decrease when the recession is occur. According to in 1997 to 1998, the consumer spending per unit is fell by 3.1. At that time, the price is increased to 5.2%, and overall is the consumer purchasing power at that time is fall to 8%. Okay. Next is according to Center of Public Policy Studies by Tricia Yos, the people will cutting their miscellaneous goods such as house and clothing when the recession is occur, and they will spend more to food and transportation and health. Okay, for this all from me, and for second partner is my partner is Izyan. Okay, that's all.
Good morning, madam. My name is Nur Hazira Izan binti Abdul Hamid. My matric number is 179769. Today I will present my video 2 about the negative effect from recession toward economy. Okay. The negative effect from recession toward economy can the unemployment rate increase. As we know, when the labor supply exceeds demand from unemployment, the unemployment rate increase every month. And then, when the underutilization of labor resources, because its significant percentage of labor force is unemployment are willing and active seek forward. Okay, even though the labor statistics show in graph are predict, and the labor statistics show the fluctuation, and then there are many factors the involve recession back negative. For example, the change in technology, the job outsourcing in nation, and the foreign competition, and company shutdown. The negative effect from recession is the current account is reduction in deficit. Okay, as we know, when the current account reduction in deficit, maybe the export cheaper and import most expensive. For example, the exchange rate from the can improve current account. As we know, it can show from the graph when the real growth in GDP. The graph can show the fluctuation from the year 2007 until 2011. Okay, as we know, for 2001, the economy stalled because the export cheaper and the international growth for the palm oil and the product again stalled. Maybe the growth of economic stalled again. From the graph show the highest in 2010 because the reduction in deficit very highest. Okay.
Conclusion. From the overall presentation, we can show that there are many effects from our economy and individual. Okay, as we know, the recession gives bad impression. For example, from individual can give standard of living decrease, and then from economy, the unemployment rate increase. But the overall from the negative impact from recession need solution to solve the problem. That's all from me. Thank you.